Hello, I hope you are feeling very well. This time we are going to talk about what does a woman think when you stop looking for her? But before starting, I would like you to leave a like and share this video with all your friends. It will help a lot to the growth of the channel. The first thing that girl will think is that she is doing something wrong, and that is that when you start to walk away for reasons that you are noticing in her, such as that she is not paying you the necessary attention that you thought and you start to take your path, she will obviously notice that she is doing something wrong, and this will give you a certain advantage, and that is that she will think that it is time for her to take action, of course. If she really cares about you, since she will know that you are moving away, and she should now take the initiative to bring your attention back to her, because believe me, most girls like men to give her this constant attention, and the moment you start taking that attention away from her for one reason or another reason, is when that girl is going to start to take action. But before you start doing this, you must define what it is that you want with that girl, that is. You have two possibilities. One is that you see her simply as a friend, and the other is that you want something with that girl. If you obviously want something with her, and she is not giving you the attention that you required, or the attention that you thought she was going to give you, such as something more than friends, well, it's time for you to start doing things differently, because maybe with the attention you're giving her, you're simply giving her the benefit, as if she were your girlfriend without being your girlfriend. That's when you may wonder, why should I commit to him if I have all the benefits of being in a relationship with him, but at the same time we have nothing? I don't kiss him, I don't do anything with him, and he gives me all his attention. She is always there for me. She helps me with any problem I have. So that is where you should ask yourself, what are your intentions with that girl? Is it simply that you want to offer her a sincere friendship, or is it that you really want something with her? Once you have defined this, you can start taking action. If she has not paid attention to you despite all the services that you have been providing her, then it is time for you to stop wasting your effort and time and start walk away. What this will cause is that she begins to have a series of changes. If she really cares about you and she feels something for you, she will begin to take action, and she will take some initiative so that you return to her. But the moment you return and she continues in this same way, and once she has your attention and neglects it, then it is time for you to start moving away definitively, because you will already know that the girl is the only thing that what he wants is to have you there as a slave or a subject, without really caring about your feelings. That's why when you start to distance yourself from a woman, she will think many things. And between this, it is that she is doing something wrong or that it is time to change that thought that she has. At the same time, it will also give her the feeling that you are probably meeting another person, and this will also make her feel more aware of you, and that she feels more aware of you, and that she feels more aware of you, and that she obviously worries, because she will feel that at any moment she can lose you forever. And if she really wants something with you, then you must get your act together, because you may be neglecting the attention you gave her, because you are already meeting someone else, and it is another girl who is stealing your attention. Remember that in this world we always tell you that you must have your attention focused on many alternatives. You must not simply focus on one person, because at that moment when the person is moving away, it will be more difficult for you, and you must not only have your attention focused on other people as well. You should not focus only on one, which has to be yes or yes with that girl, because many things can happen. That is why your attention cannot be directed towards a single person. Another option that the girl may think is that you are tired of her, but she also doesn't care. She may think that you are tired of giving her attention, and that you are tired of always being there for her without receiving something in return, and this may not matter to her, since she has many options too. So she won't really care if you are there or not, because she will feel like she has a lot to choose from. And this is where I tell you that you will have made the right decision, because if you walk away from a person and simply that person doesn't care if you have left or stayed, because believe me, the best decision was for you to leave. Because if someone doesn't care whether you are there or not, it is simply that that person doesn't need absolutely anything from you, and they were taking your benefits because you were offering it to them, but not because they actually needed anything from you. And that's why you have to consider certain attitudes that these girls have, and some of them can tell you that they don't really care if you stay or go, if you're here or not. And the moment they ask you this question, it's time for you to walk away, because later she will tell you that she never asked you to do anything for her, and that's where you're going to really feel the pain. And well, if you liked this video, you already know that you can indicate it with a like, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with all your friends. We'll see you next time. Take care of yourself. Bye.